Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, how's everyone? Finally, exams are over. What about you? My exams are over.
Ma'am, can you see me? Ma'am, you're frozen.
I'm frozen. Is it? They do not tell you pages. Can you all see me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, but you're frozen.
I'm still frozen.
Just
Her
switch off your
was
video, ma'am.
lagging. Okay, I'll just off my video for the while. Let me see that whether
It's coming that your network is.
okay.
Ma'am, we will continue from here.
Sorry, beta. From where will we continue?
Ma'am, that environment chapter.
Yes, environment chapter. But then before, I just want to ask Mariam. Mariam, is it a paper today?
Yes, arts
Then,
11.
Art.
because Mariam has turned on her camera now, so I'm a little confused. It is my paper also. Is it Mariam? You want to give your science paper again?
No.
The science paper was, according to me, it wasn't that difficult. What do you say?
Yes, ma'am.
What about you? How's the paper?
Wasn't
It was
difficult.
easy.
Yes, like
very
if
easy.
you would have attended all the lectures, I don't think so. I, asked something that was out of the syllabus. The only thing was that was required was attending lectures. What about everyone? Mahira, Shara, Aman. Wow, we have Isa today.
Ma'am, science exam was very easy.
Yes.
But then, some answers
Ma'am,
I
every
got,
exam was very
that was, very like I literally laughed aloud. What is a fair test? Anybody who knows what is a fair test? Even Myra.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, a fair test is that you can only change one thing at a time.
Perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you could change only one thing at a time. But I got answers like where we could attempt an answer without cheating. And I was literally laughing. I was correcting the papers and I know who's written it. I'll not tell the name, but the writing wala has understood who's written it. Hannah? What was this? Write an exam without cheating? It's a fair test.
Ma'am,
Anyway.
just a minute. I'm closing my video for a minute.
Anya, you'll be turning on your camera. I want to see everybody. I'm so happy today. I don't have any.
Ma'am, just a minute.
Okay, Anya, that's absolutely fine. Okay. And what about Isa? No turning on cameras?
Ma'am, in the science paper only I have one problem, that last one.
Answer in brief.
No, ma'am. Not that.
The diagram one.
The diagram. Okay, like you were not expecting a diagram. Was it like that?
No, ma'am. That cheetah one. I don't understand.
The cheetah one. Okay. Why does the cheetah have a flat tail? Yes, again that is the answer.
Ma'am,
That
but
was
after thinking little bit, I understand. I'll write it.
Okay, that's great, Isa. Chalo, good to hear this. Like, not boasting myself, but everybody assumes that science is a very tough subject. All the queries come for maths and science. So somewhere I'm happy that my kids got it easy. Happy. Okay. So, Mrs. Cleanliness, she's wiping her hands with the paper. What is there? What did she do? Like few days back, she took scissors and she literally chopped off her hairs, like this much, a bunch full of hairs. Like for 3 days I was sleeping and I used to get hair from everywhere. Like she even chopped her hair and then she tried of hiding it also because she knew now mama is going to shout at me. And I have to, remove something and I have to get hair there.
Ma'am, she is listening there.
Yeah, she's listening, she's understanding, she understands everything. But I wonder why is she like that? Like she cannot, she's not a person who will go on her phone and she will, stick there for hours. She'll be keep on trying something. I want my kid, wait, before no, baitho ek taraf, but no, she will not sit. You keep on doing masti. Who's like this from your batch? Mariam is, I think so, she's a quiet one. She'll sit in one corner. She won't do such sort of masti, na Mariam? Or do you do it?
Sometimes, if I want to really trouble my brother and sister for revenge, then that's another.
ऐसा भी होता है.
I don't do that. I
but
beat my
sure
sister
that
every time when she does not do anything. That time also I do beat her very
you
much.
beat her? Oh my god.
Ma'am, not that hard, but beat.
Yes, sounds
Sure does that.
good stroke is fine. Wow, we've got, wow, finally we've got so many people. Okay,
Ma'am.
raised hands. Somebody just raised hands.
Ma'am, you know, when I was small, I was throwing my sister down from balcony.
Oh, why? Because of jealousy, is it?
No, ma'am. All the parents love her only that time.
Acha, yes, this happens with the, older kids. This generally happens. Great. So, Alhamdulillah, I don't have
Yes,
a
when I was small,
would have definitely
and,
took Emmer.
when I was small and Bilal was I was like just only 2 years old. My mom said me that I was 2 years old and Bilal was just, he is a premature baby, like only 2 months premature. So he had just come home and, and he used to not at all cry. And I had a doll and I was thinking, is he a doll or something? And I whacked.
Oh my god.
And my mom said that
Ma'am,
he was in shock. He went in shock and she was running here and there to the doctor. And he was wailing and crying the entire day.
Literally, like I pity your parents, like, oh my god, what is this? What has happened? First of all, a small baby, and then we have the older ones who are full of masti.
ma'am, you know, when
Yes, Sarah, I'm listening to you.
Ma'am, my brother Sharvik, he is also like that only. If
Even
we
your
don't
brother
do
is like
anything,
that?
yeah, he will, no matter, even if we don't do anything, we're sitting quietly in a corner, he'll just come and trouble us.
Mine does that
too.
My little sister Khadija.
I admit, boys are like that.
Talking to them and they cover it.
ma'am, my brother is elder than me, but he always does mischief. And one time he get beatings from Chabuk.
Oh, good morning, Anya. Anya's got something to share. Anya, are you the quiet one, or are you the one who does the masti all time?
No.
Anya,
Ma'am, I think she's good.
Yes, ma'am.
are you the quiet one or like? Okay, Amanbadi, that's fine.
No, ma'am.
That's fine. Umar is laughing. I think so. Umar is the one who does all the mischief in his home. Now, Umar, he's smiling. He's giving me those naughty looks.
Ma'am, Jida troubles you very much.
Sorry.
Jida troubles you very much.
What
What
did you say?
troubles you very much? She thinks Ziva troubles you very much.
I'm not getting you. Sorry. Please, Sudha was saying something. Yes, but what
Ma'am,
did you say?
Jida troubles you very much, or she is
Zida,
quiet?
yes, Zida. Like, I know if she's quiet, she's doing something. There is no point in my day I can, be assured that chalo, wo chup hai, so she might be playing. No, she's doing the biggest mischief. Either she's in the kitchen or, she's taking out something to cook. And like something she's doing constantly.
Ma'am, when you were small, you like to cook or just sit idle? Like,
She's like all her aunts. Like her aunts, they are very much into cooking. They're very much into cleaning. So either she'll be, cleaning the floor. She'll go in the bathroom. She'll get a wet cloth and she'll be wiping everything. So she has all those genes in her. I am not a clean freak at all. No. I can cook, but I cannot clean. I hate
Ma'am, you know, yesterday I had ice cream.
ice cream. Wow, my kids have it every day. Nothing happens. You can eat every day. Nothing happens if
Ma'am,
you
no,
do
but my
nothing happens.
father told you will have fever, don't eat.
Oh,
Ma'am, same. When we
Ma'am, now it is raining here.
wow, it's
quiet,
raining.
ma'am,
Yes, Rashti.
when it's quiet in the house, when Shaurak's not there, na, she'll become so quiet. I keep telling him that Shaurak, please go somewhere else and he'll be quiet around here.
Happens. There has to be one kid in the family who is full of mischief. Full of mischief. Okay. So exams are done. Okay, what paper do you have today?
Ma'am, arts, we are not considering
Arts,
that
arts.
exam.
Okay. Just one paper today.
3D drawing we have to make.
3 drawings you're supposed to make. Okay.
No,
3D
drawing.
Are 3D
Yeah.
art.
3D. Okay, 3D. Wow, that's nice.
Ma'am, ma'am, that ma'am will show us how to
Okay,
make.
ma'am will show how to do it, and you just try to kind of make it through that. Okay, that's great.
By our own something shapes.
Okay, so what were we doing?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta. Bolo, I can speak.
ma'am, when you are small, your parents beat you very much or this?
Sorry,
Like this.
I didn't
Lap.
get you, beta. What did you say?
Ma'am, your parents beat you when you're small. Or...
No, I was a very obedient kid, like very studious, very obedient. But my brother, he was very mischievous. So I was the one who used to save my brother. I was very quiet, and even my games used to be teacher. I used to read books. I used to play with my books. So I was a very sorted kid, and my brother was my opposite.
I was like that too, only I don't save him.
Sorry, Maria.
Ma'am,
I was like that too, only I don't save Musa.
I don't know. I'll search and I'll give it to you. Okay? Give me 2 minutes. I'll search and give it to you. Okay. So
Ma'am,
we were
what is
learning about the
Jesus
environment. Yes, Tata?
no, ma'am, nothing.
We were learning about the environment. We were learning about the animals that are on the verge of being extinct. Why? Because of some of our reckless activities. We even learned about this. Are we done with this? The greenhouse gases?
No,
No.
ma'am.
No.
Okay.
Ma'am,
this has
we
to
were
be
in
done with the batch.
95.
We were on page number?
95.
Is it? I've not done
Yes,
acid
ma'am,
rain
we
with
have
you.
moved so far.
No, I think so. I've done all this.
We
one
have
already.
done acid rain. We have done
Yes,
acid
we've
rain.
done acid rain. It might be
Yes,
that your
ma'am.
textbook.
We
didn't
were
have
on the
this
next page.
one. Yes.
We are on the next page.
Okay. Before I proceed further, what is acid rain? Chalo quickly, because this is somewhat important that you need to know. What is an acid rain?
Ma'am, acid rain is produced when there is sulfuric acid in the environment.
Yes. And how does this sulfur acid come in contact with the rain? How does it get
Ma'am,
released?
it comes from the factories which release the smoke, and from the smoke it has.
Very good. Yes, and the activities from the activities of factories, and even like when we burn coal and other like oil, petrol, and all. Oh no, those the smoke that generally even comes out from the car. We've seen all those dark smoke that is coming out of the car. So running vehicles using of these non-renewable resources like petroleum, crude oil, and all. These burning and all these activities will release sulfuric acid in the atmosphere, which will ultimately mix with the air, and then it will come down along with the rain. What are the impacts of the acid rain? Is it good? Is it bad?
It's bad because
Why bad?
because it causes damage to the environment, and also it kills animals and humans.
Very good. What sort of damage? Like acid rain. So what will happen? The entire thing will corrode. See, there was a picture over here. You can see a monument. Like it is as good as putting an acid on somebody's face. See what has happened. So this has happened to a stone. So can you imagine what would have happened to plants, to animals, to aquatic life?
Ma'am, they shed their leaves quickly if the acid rain would come.
Perfect. They shed their leaves quickly. Yes, this is almost burning of something, Even the aquatic life, if the water will fall inside the rivers, the lakes, the streams, what will happen to the aquatic life? Will they survive?
No.
And the point is not only about the survival, then what will happen? The entire ecosystem will get affected. So what can we do? We have to take up measures so that we can prevent acid rain. Okay, what measures can we take? Firstly, if like you're using vehicles, we have... Yes, beta. Sarah, you want to say something?
Ma'am, by not polluting the air.
Yes, definitely, by not polluting the air, definitely. How can we not pollute the air? See, what we've learned is generally these non-renewable resources are the only one that are contributing to all sort of pollution, like the petroleum, coal, all these things, all the minerals that are found in the earth. These are the resources that are polluting it. So we can replace them from the non-renewable ones, like solar energy, tidal energy, hydroelectricity, wind energy. So we can, from all these energies, we can produce electricity, and then we can run our machines through it. We have cars that are driven by electricity. We have electric stoves also. We've been burning all those charcoals for those, what do we call, to, prepare food, all the tandooris and all. But what happens? The smoke that comes out of it is so dangerous. So what can we do? We can use electric stoves also. Electric cars are a substitute. So solar energy, tidal energy, these all are cleaner energy, though there is a big investment behind it. But if once an investment is being done, what will happen? It will be a long-term benefit. That is, you'll be receiving a long-term benefit. So we have to replace the renewable sources of energy with the non-renewable ones. Okay. Next thing what we can do is, again, like when it comes to use of vehicle, we have to just try and minimize the use of it. In case you can walk up to the distance, you can walk, you can use bicycles, you can share the vehicle. That is, these are all the ways where you can minimize the pollution that will ultimately reduce the possibility of acid rain. So this is what we've learned in acid rain. Again, this is something that is similar. The greenhouse effect. Anybody who knows what is a greenhouse effect? No, that is a big...
Ma'am, where all green plants are stored.
Sorry,
Ma'am, it's type of a global warming.
That is a greenhouse.
Ma'am,
That is a
it's
different
type-
thing, beta.
Ma'am, it's type of a global warming.
Perfect. Is this Rashti?
No,
No, ma'am,
that's
Amina Mumtaz.
Wow, that's great, Amina. Yes, this is a sort of global warming. Yes, what happened? Do you know anything? Or
ma'am,
raw idea will
when-
also work.
when carbon dioxide is too much in the environment, so like the atmospheres, their ozone levels at each part of the sky. So if one of them gets a hole, so the ultra
Violet
What
rays.
yes,
the
the
ultraviolet, the UV
ultraviolet
rays.
rays come in and they will harm us and animals and the earth.
Okay. Amina is partly right, because like she's mixed two concepts with it. One part of it is the greenhouse effect, that is that she said that is mainly because of carbon dioxide. Perfect. Because of the increased level of carbon dioxide, what is happening, and there are other gases also, methane and all. What is happening? We receive sunlight from the sun. These gases trap them. Thus, a heat that we get from sun is being trapped by these gases. To some extent, it is good, because we need the earth to be a warmer place. If they trap little bit of heat, it would be good for us, because the earth then becomes warm. But what will happen if all these gases will kind of absorb more energy, more heat from the sun? What will happen? finally
The ice will melt.
yes, definitely. The temperature will increase on the earth. And what will happen? Ice will melt, the glaciers and all. When the heat
Yes, and
increases,
they will release more water, and there will be a risk of flooding the country.
perfect. So entire thing will get affected. So this is the only thing. So that is a greenhouse effect. Okay, when we see the picture, can you please tell me? I want somebody, Anya, can you please tell me, Navita, what is there in the picture? What is the difference that you can tell to me while just looking at the diagram?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, please go ahead.
Ma'am, there are plants more in the right, left side, and the right side there is no plants. So the greenhouse effect is trapping the gases
Yes,
of the green.
just because there are no trees in the second diagram, what can we say? We can say that there is a more of, here it is written enhanced greenhouse effect in the second picture, right? See, we can see,
Yes.
yeah, here there are all trees. So what is happening? The heat is being
Ma'am,
on the earth. Yes, beta.
the rays are facing to the buildings directly.
Yes, perfect. So the heat here is getting trapped, but this heat is enough to just make the earth warmer place for us to reside. But here what is happening? The heat is coming here, but since there are no trees, I would say minimum number of trees. So what is happening? The earth is getting more warmer, little bit of heat is only getting escaped into the atmosphere. The majority part of the heat is remaining on the earth. That will cause global warming, and then global warming has its own adverse impacts. Yes, Amina.
Ma'am, over here in the left hand side of the diagram, you can see there are buildings, but on the right hand side of the diagrams, you can see there are factories. And because of the factories, it is also because the greenhouse effect is more enhanced.
Yes, these factories have been releasing harmful gases, and due to which it is leading to global warming. Perfect. Okay, I want somebody from the boys to read. Boys are always sleeping now. Chalo, boys, quickly volunteer yourself and read. We'll just try and quickly understand what is this.
I'm not sleeping.
Then why aren't you telling anything?
I'm sending something in the chat.
Sorry.
Umar loves to type more than talk.
Okay. Chalo, now who's going to read?
Ma'am, so can I read?
No, I want somebody from the boys to read.
Ma'am, me.
Who wants to read?
Ma'am, me. Anya.
Anya, chalo. Anya for a change. Okay, beta. Start reading.
Okay. The earth is surrounded by layers of gases. The layers are called the atmosphere. The greenhouse effect is a natural greenhouse effect is a natural process. The atmosphere traps some of the sun heat energy. This warms the earth so that it can support life. The main greenhouse gases are water,
Vapor.
what's that?
Water vapor.
Vapor. Okay. Water vapor, carbon dioxide,
Nitrous oxide.
nitrous oxide, and ozone. May scientists think that human activities increase the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. This is known as the
enhanced
greenhouse effect. It is one of reasons why people are what's that?
concerned
Okay, about climate change. The gases the scientists are worried about our carbon dioxide. This comes from burning fossil fuels and cutting down trees.
Yes, you can continue to the next part also, beta, from your methane.
Okay. Methane, this comes from rice
Paddies.
paddies. Ma'am, can you and from animals such as cows? How do you think we can reduce the
Enhanced.
enhance greenhouse effect? Write down 2 things we can do to reduce the enhanced greenhouse.
Very good. Yes, Amina.
Ma'am, we can try to save the environment by especially the forests, because as we are as a human society is developing, so they're moving into the forest, and sometimes even though in some countries it is illegal to settle near forests, people are still doing that. And most of the time they cannot also shift them, because even if the government finds out about it, they cannot shift the people, because already then they'll have to destroy it and then dynamite it. So it will cause more harm to the forest than
Definitely.
good.
Definitely. So see what we can do. See, we have to build in factories. We have to build in various goods and services that are being produced there. So that is not an option. You know, we cannot close all the factories. That will not be possible. But what we can do is afforestation. What is afforestation? Afforestation is planting more and more trees. Because like since the childhood, we know this, trees are the only one that absorbs the carbon dioxide. So whatever carbon dioxide is released in the air will be absorbed by the trees. So what can we do to just save our earth from the greenhouse effect is we have to plant on more trees. Yes, Amina.
Ma'am, like I used to live in a bungalow before, so and I used to live in different societies before. So like I've seen this, like the place, like if we live in a building, there's more heat and there are less trees. In like in a society where there are less trees, less greenery, there's more heat. And like when I was living in more where there in a society where there are more trees, shrubs, lawns, and all of that, there was less heat. So it works.
Yes,
And some
that
people
is what
think
it
that,
works.
and
Definitely. These trees, they give us more oxygen. You know, there is more of shady thing, there's more of wind at these places. And what will happen if you go where there is only concrete all around you, you will feel, you know, you can feel that heat around you. Definitely. Okay, Amina, can I ask you one thing? What is the reason that you've been constantly shifting? Like, does your dad have some job or something that you've been constantly shifting to new places?
no, there was like there was
It's
something
possible, absolutely
wrong.
fine. It's just asking it like that only.
Wait, I'll write you in the chat.
Okay, okay. No, that's absolutely fine. You know, I just wondered, like, well, what is the reason? Because, you know, even you told me that you've been homeschooling from past 6 years. So that was the only reason I asked. So, great. Okay, so what did we learn? We learned that afforestation is a very...
Ma'am,
Yes, Sarah, please say.
ma'am, here there are more and more plants like
Can you show it to
coconut
us? You know,
trees.
you have a lake also, no, outside your house? I remember
Yes.
seeing a lake.
Yes.
Sarah sits nice, you know, beside a window and enjoys the climate. I'm coming to your place, Sarah. On this vacation, we all are going to Kolkata. What say? I'll tell our principal to arrange a trip to Kolkata and we'll be staying at Sarah's house. Sarah, can you accommodate all of us? We'll be approximately
Yes,
20
ma'am.
of us.
Yes. Okay.
And your mother will throw us out. Like, what is this? Sarah, I want to see all the trees. I want to see the lake before I proceed further. I've been only seeing buildings, buildings, and buildings. Viva, we've got Drashti. Hi, Drashti. Dusty, were you playing with the camera? I could see it's turning off, turning on.
Ma'am,
look.
see.
Where is Sarah? Wait. Oh, wow. Wow, that's really nice. And that is really a rare sight. If you stay in a city, seeing something like this is a real rare sight. Aman, what is there outside your window? I can see a window there. What is there? Show me whether there are buildings. What is there? You can show it to us, Aman. Aman Naidu. Aman?
Ma'am, when I go to terrace, there are more and more trees.
Wow, that's really nice.
Ma'am, I am attending from laptop, so I can't show.
Okay, so it will be difficult.
Do
for
not
you.
have the back camera.
Okay, that's fine.
Ma'am, can I show?
Yes, please.
Okay, just a minute.
Yes. Who's showing it to me?
Ma'am, in Kolkata, there are more and more lakes. Here is one and there is one.
Acha, nice.
And
Wow,
the
and
one
Anish
more is
showing
there,
me.
but it is too far.
Acha.
Ma'am, one more is there, but that is very big than this. This friend.
Ma'am, look.
Oh, we have all skyscrapers over here. A little bit of gloomy, but that will do. Where do you stay, Anya? I would rather ask, what floor do you stay?
Ma'am, Kharghar.
Kharghar, okay. And what floor do you stay at?
19th.
19. You don't feel scared. I would rather feel scared.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
This is a very beautiful view, Anya, I must say.
Ma'am, look. Ma'am, look this.
Wait. I can't. Yes. I could see it. Wow. Beautiful, huh? But I must say, very nice.
And over here, like we have hills over here.
Yes. We have
Behind
hills
us.
also. Kharghar and all, we have
Ma'am,
hills and all.
We have
Like,
nothing
there
but
is so
ugly
many. When I
buildings.
say there are hills.
ma'am, look there. Ma'am, look there.
Yes. Wow.
That is so beautiful.
That's amazing. Just give me a- Sure, great. Okay, so I hope so. We are very sorted with this greenhouse effect. We have one more thing. I'll just try and cover it up today only. Okay, so what is this? Quickly, I want somebody to read this. Rashti, you'll read this for me.
Ma'am, I'm just drinking water and coming.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, Drashti, quickly reading this. Drashti, can you hear me? Drashti? Drashti sleeping or what? Mariam, can you read this for us, Mariam?
Yes, ma'am. Quarrying.
Quarrying, yes.
We need certain materials so that we can build homes, shops, factories, and offices. We need limestone, chalk, and clay for our buildings. These materials are found in the ground. We get limestone, chalk, and clay out of the ground by quarrying. Local people can earn a living working in the quarry. Quarrying also gives us the local community an income. Unfortunately, quarrying can have a negative impact on upon the environment. You can see this is the damage in the picture.
Yes. Okay, so what is quarrying basically?
Mining.
Mining, yes, perfect. Another word for quarrying is mining. What will happen? Any idea? Yes, Anya.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Yes, Anya, say.
Wait, ma'am. What you are telling? First tell left.
That is what I was asking. What is mining basically? What happens? Do you know anything about it?
Ma'am, mining is when you go like a company, like a mining company, they search for gold, oil, uh, and like clay, limestone, and other stuff which
Coal.
are used to make in our houses and factories. So what they do is that they actually, like as you can see here, there are like levels. Like there is like one here level, then other level. They usually when they're digging, so they cause like they're digging deeper and deeper, and there also are negative effects. Like there is a lake, like it was a mining town before, and like they had made a quarry like this, and there was a lake below it, like salt water, I think so. And they had and the company shut down, so the lake, the salt water filled up to the brim,
Yes,
and
yes.
it was so toxic, and the environment is so toxic that you have to wear hazmat suits and clean the dust. Otherwise humans, plants, birds, fishes, everything dead.
Yes, everything will get affected. Perfect. What happens? All these, everyone who does this mining, what will they do? They keep on digging, digging, and digging. Yes, they might get certain materials from the earth, but what will happen to the other waste that is being extracted outside? What will happen to them? It's not that you will just dig and you'll find gold instantly. You have to dig in further, further, and further, and then there'll be so much of waste material. I would rather say a 10% of what material you require, and 90% will be waste material. So how do we manage that?
Ma'am, can I say you one thing?
Please.
So there is like I had seen this video like 1 year ago, and it was a Nas Daily video. In it, there was a couple who had taken waste and made house furniture. Like it just sees like the real thing.
Wow, that's so nice. Out of the waste.
So, yes, out of waste.
Wow, that's so
So we
nice.
can also that is also another way that we can stop quarrying, and we can make houses out of waste.
Perfect, perfect.
Should I send the video in the
Yes, if
group?
it's possible, we would definitely love to see it. Is it possible?
Yeah, I'll just search for it and I'll send.
Okay, okay. So
Yes.
then I will just discuss this. Okay, so what happens when we dig up the land? What will happen? Yes, we will extract some of the minerals from it. But what is the issue? The alarming issue is that, yes, beta.
Ma'am, my father was seeing one video. One man was digging the ground for find the diamond, but in last he find it. Then he peeled the diamond from that side.
What did you do in last?
Ma'am, he digging the soil. Then he found one red ruby and one diamond.
Wow. So ultimately he found it. Yes, yes, that's right. Yes, you might get the.
Ma'am, like not a diamond but a crystal.
Yeah, but the crystal. Yes, yes, yes. I understood that. But what is happening? What is my question is that when you do all these activities, there is 90% of waste material that comes out of the earth also, which will ultimately pollute the land that is around you. So what do we do about that? I mean, that is creating pollution now. So what we can do is whatever waste material is coming out of the earth, we have to make some proper disposal of those waste material also, or you can put it back to the earth also. Because what will happen if it lies on the surface of the earth, it will ultimately either kind of make land pollution, or it might enter into the sea and it will cause as water pollution. So this is harmful, and then that again will harm our ecosystem. So that is the main thing, that when you carry out activities like coring, what happens, all the waste material that comes out of the earth ultimately causes pollution. Okay, and then we have deforestation. So quickly discussing what is deforestation. Simply.
Ma'am, cutting down
Clearing
more
forest
trees.
and cutting down trees
Yes. So what will happen
for
if you cut down the
settle
trees?
humans there.
Ma'am,
Perfect.
we will not get enough
For-
oxygen to live.
Yes, because the trees are the one that give us oxygen. Again, yes. And what apart from that, and again, all those harmful gases that we've been emitting, where will all these harmful gases go?
Ma'am, then UV rays of sun will come directly to
Yes.
our home.
Yes, they'll come directly to us.
And
And
ma'am,
since, yes, beta.
so whenever like it is written over here, when large areas are cleared of trees, the sometimes people like the one who are developers, they wash the soil.
Perfect.
Like it's a process that they wash it, so that no trees can grow there, or not even plants or weeds.
Yes, when large areas clean, what happens? The soil gets washed away. The upper part of the soil will be washed away, and then again it will render it infertile. So other trees and shrubs could not then grow there. So that is the adverse impact of deforestation. One more thing, very important. I'll just quickly read. Trees absorb rainfall. If deforestation happens in mountainous regions, there are no trees to soak up the rainfall. This will cause flooding in the lower region. See, generally when you go to a garden or a park, you can feel, the temperature there is, you can feel the moistness. You can feel that the place is moist over there. Why? Because these trees will absorb the rainfall. So what will happen if you cut down all the trees? Will it be able to absorb the rainfall? And
No,
what will
and
happen?
it will also cause mudslides, and it will also cause
Definitely.
flooding.
Yes. And what will happen in mountainous regions? Then the trees will not be able to soak the rainfall, and it will cause to flood. So deforestation will also have a very negative impact on the environment. Okay. So today, what did we discuss? We discussed about acid rains. We discussed about greenhouse effect. We discussed about coring, and we discussed about deforestation. These 4 topics, very important. Take it a screenshot, kind of note it down in your book, whatever you've understood, because these 4 concepts has to remain in your mind, not only from the exam point of view, but again in the future you will be facing all these things. So just take a good note of it. Ending my lecture over here.
Okay, ma'am.
Be continuing further. Okay. Chalo, then we have a weekend ahead. Enjoy yourself.
Ma'am.
Enjoy.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
Yes.
ma'am, I want to look Amina's view. I never looked her.
Amina's view. Amina, please show me your view, Baba. What view you have outside your house?
I'll just go to my balcony.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
fun fact is here, no one prepares balcony. They all have terrace.
Yes. This
But we are in the modern life. We prepared the terrace, means a balcony.
right. Wow.
Where do you live?
I'm just in Pune, Amina.
Can you see? There are only buildings here.
Show down.
But if you go a bit,
Somebody wants to look at Mariam's view also. Mariam, can you show it to us?
Ma'am, she told.
and then over here, the
I can't because
Sorry, beta.
I can't
Okay, that's
Ma'am,
fine.
she can't.
because my laptop has this problem. When I unplug it from its charger, it stops working.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Absolutely not a problem. Chalo, great. Chalo, ending my session over here and definitely meeting on Tuesdays. Okay, we have Republic Day
bye.
coming on 26th of January.
And
that we have Holly.
Yes. When you're thinking about a holiday, do something creative now on 26th of January.
Ma'am, but in 26th of January here will be we will do sports.
Wow, like there's some sort of celebration at your society. That's nice.
Yes. Yeah, every year it
I only could hear, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, and then all those patriotic songs will start playing, and I'll just like, ek din to sone do.
Yes, ma'am. When I was in Pune, that only happened.
Yes,
Yes,
it
but
happens.
I
And
don't think so. We will be doing for the 26th Republic Day because a lot of COVID cases are there. So
yes,
we are not going to do it.
yes, that's right. that's
Maybe
right.
we do not know. Like the situation changes like every 10 days, 15 days.
Definitely, like now there's discussion about this
Ma'am, I
reopening of the
listened
schools.
from my father that in Mumbai there are schools are opening.
Yes.
Yeah.
This thing that by Monday the schools will
Ma'am,
reopen.
then Golden Sparrow will open.
No idea. It yes, like if all the schools will open, again the hybrid section of our Golden Sparrow will also open. Let's see. Just hope for the best. Chalo then, turning
Golden.
off. Take care. Have a
Bye,
good
ma'am.
weekend ahead.
Bye,
Enjoy
ma'am.
yourself.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, beta.